We are pleased to introduce CMAlifts oil hydraulic elevators to you. Reliable, highly performing and cost-effective. It is of course one of the most popular solutions on the market, a choice that for decades has been rewarded by the trust of thousands of customers and by the great number of installations worldwide. One of the secrets of the success of CMAlifts oil hydraulic elevators is their extreme flexibility. Thanks to their compact overall size, rucksack car frame and load-bearing structure, they can also be installed in places which had originally not been designed to house a lift plant, and therefore not to actually support one. What's more, these solutions are called MRL, that is, machine roomless. For this reason, these lifts allow the controller and oil hydraulic power unit to be placed in any convenient position, saving a great deal of space so that all the operating components can be housed in a very compact cabinet. It is no coincidence that these lifts are quite popular in public and private buildings, shopping centers, schools, hospitals, hotels and residential facilities. The oil hydraulic lift is definitely an alternative option to traditional electric lifts. The lift car is connected to a cylinder piston unit into which pressurized oil is injected and discharged. On the way up, a pump pushes the oil into the cylinder, causing the stem to extend, resulting in the car going up, while the descent occurs by gravity, controlling the flow of hydraulic oil from the cylinder. In addition to space optimization, there are many advantages in CMAlifts oil hydraulic systems. Costs are reasonable. As a matter of fact, given the same load capacity and number of stops, the actual overall costs of these lifts are certainly lower than those of other solutions in terms of supply, installation and maintenance. Another significant advantage of this type of lift is its great reliability, as a result of its simple running and time-tested technologies, which allow for minimal maintenance and virtually no system downtime. Not to be overlooked is certainly the safety of CMAlifts oil hydraulic elevators. In the event of malfunctioning or power failure, the evacuation of passengers is extremely simple. In addition, all CMAlifts elevators can be equipped with components that guarantee healthy air inside the lift car and protection from viruses and bacteria, and can also be fitted with a touchless push-button panel, preventing the user from touching the operation buttons. CMAlifts oil hydraulic elevators are manufactured entirely in Italy and comply with EN 8120 or EN 812 standards and can be supplied as complete systems or individual components. Special attention is also paid to the design and style of these solutions, which are characterized by the considerable customization options. Each CMAlifts creation is unique in terms of choice of details, finishes, materials and colors, so that the lift can perfectly blend within the architectural context in which it is installed. Today, CMAlifts oil hydraulic elevators are a definite benchmark and a strong guarantee of quality on the international lift market.